Gemini. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Another reading. January 1 to 15. Shoutout po ako sa mga fellow FW. Magandang araw, tanghali, gabi, kung nasaan man tayong parte ng daigdig. Ingat po tayo. Okay. January 1 to 15. Let's see kung ano po yung message for our Gemini friends. Air sign. Okay. Game na tayo, Gemini. January 1 to 15, what Gemini needs to know. Check natin, mga hardworking, mga life of the party, looking for balance between, ano pang personality ng Gemini. Very dependent, minsan, hindi makapag-decide, tama po ba? Kung anong kakainin. Yeah, meron po akong friends na Gemini na ganun yung tipo. Labas na tayo, kain na tayo. Yeah, okay. Tapos usap-usap. Tapos biglang sasabihin, oh sige, ikaw nang bahala. O ganito, ganyan. Okay? Tingnan natin. Gemini. January 1 to 15. What Gemini needs to know. One card. Okay, yeah. Okay. Queen of Wands. So, alchemy. Okay? Ano yan? Magician din po yan. Hawak niya yung Ace of Wands. Palaging inspired action. So, are you dealing with Sagittarius or Leo? Yeah? Okay. Ano yung gusto mong imagine? Yes? So, ano yung minanifest nitong Gemini na nasa harapan ko towards end of the year at saka during full moon? So, kung napanood nyo po yun or hindi pa, check nyo rin. Baka may message po itong karugtong. Okay? So, it's about winning. Winning. Nasa iyo. Ikaw pa rin ang makakapag-decide kung do you want to grow that sunflower or you want to grow something else. Yes? Okay, very iba yung message na nakikita ko dito. Okay, this is about decision for you. Okay? May tendency ka na magbago ka. Okay? I can see indecisiveness. I can smell. Okay? Pero hawak mo yung Ace of Wands. Okay? Magician. This is magician also. I always say that. Okay? Tignan natin yung storyboard ni Gemini. January 1 to 15. What Gemini needs to know. Okay, tignan natin. So, general reading po. Kung makakonect, shout out. Kung hindi po sa susunod, wag pong pilitin. Okay, tuloy natin. January 1 to 15, what Gemini needs to know. Tignan natin ang storyboard ni Gemini na nasa harapan ko, who is very inspired. Merong I can smell parang indecision here. Yung humihingi ng second opinion, nakatingin ka din sa kabila eh. Parang tinatanong mo na, ang itatanim ko ba sunflower o iba na lang? Okay? Yun ang nakita ko sa kanya. Okay, see? News is coming, okay? Mukhang yung news na ito hindi doon sa ina-expect mo. Yeah? Pero mabilis siya. May dumating, meron ka hinihintay, dumating na bigla, pero it's not what you're expecting. Okay? Connect on your childhood past. Okay? Nung pagkabata. Yeah? You're looking for connection kasi sa expectation, hindi yun yung hinahanap mo kasi hindi yun yung kinalakihan mo. Yeah? It's a deviation noong ina-expect mo kasi hindi ganun yung dapat na kung paano iluto yung sinigang, hindi ganun yung pagluluto ng nanay mo. Okay? That's also similar to this type of energy na meron kang hinihintay, yes, minanifest mo yan, kung ano man yun, halimbawa trabaho, may dumating, pero it's not what you are expecting. Yung offer, it's not what you're expecting. Maaring maliit o malayo o something like that. Merong disconnect pero darating. Yeah? Okay, watch that. Ano yun? At parang nagduda ka. Yeah? Okay, tuloy natin ang storyboard ni Gemini. Umiiral yung twin mo na ayaw nung kakambal mo, tapos it's not something that you want. Okay? Tingnan natin, ituloy natin yung storyline storyboard ni Gemini. What Gemini needs to know. Yung news darating, okay? Kung ito may kasama sa minanifest mo, kaya ka nagdalawang isip, parang nagtatanong ka na, itatanim ko ba yung sunflower o ibang bulaklak na lang? Okay? The same also with the offer. Tatanggapin ko ba ito o makikipag-negotiate ako? Or hindi ito ina-expect ko na hindi kasama sa checklist, iba yung checklist na ibinigay sa'yo. Ganon tipo ito. But the news is coming. Umiiral yung you try to connect with your childhood past na type of message or connection with the past. Yes? Yung panahon na naniniwala tayo sa fairy tales na yung baboy may pakpak. Okay? Or try to think simple. Isa pa rin yung sa napipick up ko. Don't overly complicate. That's how it is. Don't overly complicate. Kasi nung bata tayo, madali tayong mag-decision. Wala tayong complication sa buhay. Tama po ba? Okay, check natin. Gemini, what you need? Oh, alam kong pagod ka. Yeah, okay. Lahat na pinasan mo, lahat naghihirap ka na, pinagalitan ka na, hindi ka nakabayad ng utang, inutangan ka, yung problema ng kapitbahay mo, ng kaibigan mo, ng parents mo, ng kapatid mo, you fail sa relationship, natanggal ka sa trabaho, na discriminate ka. These are all the experiences noong Nine of Wands. It's Wounded Warrior. Ngayon, doon ka nagkaroon ng indecision kasi mukhang parang babalik yung nakaraan na experience mo na doon sa balitang darating. Ano man yung news na yun, darating siya very fast. Mabilis. Okay? And dalawang message is either go back to think simple like in your past na yung kabataan mo or yung connection mo na ino-offer mo doon sa sitwasyon is very small. Dalawa ito. Okay? Message of yung ano ba maganda example dito? Yung effort. Okay? Yung effort, let's say, magtayo tayo ng negosyo. Yes, okay, meron kayong partnership, yung mga kaibigan mo, etc., etc. Way back, college days, etc. Ngayon, yung effort na binibigay, ngayon dumating na yung bangko, yung utang, yung para i-loan kayo to move on with your business. Ngayon, yung effort na binibigay mo, konti lang. Ngayon, you discover something na may mga news na dumarating na ganito, pangit, hindi maganda, malulugi, etc. Something like that. Those are the type of news na matatanggap mo. Ngayon, you're in doubt. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, itatanim ko ba yung sunflower o iba na lang? Yes? Kasi yung dumating na balita or yung darating na mabilis, nagkaroon ka ng comparison na you've been through to that situation and you don't want to go back again to the same situation. Physically exhausting, understandable. You need to not to overly complicate that. Yun ang isa pang message nandirito. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong storyboard ni Gemini. Gemini. Give me blind spot. Blind spot, January 1 to 15. Blind spot. Tingnan natin. Oops, hindi sa yan. Wait. Okay, lipat po ako. Lipat ako dito. Okay, balik ako dito. Tignan natin, ano yung message? I-apply natin sa situation natin yung iba-iba kasi tayo ng storyboard at pinanggagalingan. So, yung situation, how we can apply yung message. Gemini, give me blind spot, 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 give me blind spot. Give me one card, give me one card, tingnan natin. Nagduda ka, ayaw mo na ulit mapagod, masaktan, you don't want to go through the same situation, may news. Kung sa job offer, yung job offer na naman ay kamukha noong way back na tinanggap mo, na inalisan mo. Ngayon, nag-iisip ka, babalik ba ako dyan? If it's a relationship issue, yung nakilala mo, parang ganun din. Kung ayaw nung hiniwalay mo, lasenggo. Ngayon din, lasenggo pa rin yung bumabalik. Oh, okay, sabi ko sa'yo, magician to eh. Okay. Kaya tinuturo ako dito sa card na ito. Okay, ayusin ko lang po. Sandali lang, Gemini. Yeah, okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, yung Queen of One, magician yan. Nag-alchemy. Ngayon, ito siya, magician. Validation, confirmation, nasa power mo. You have the power, nasa kamay mo. Kaya mong pabulaklakin yung sunflower na buto at itanim mo at mamumunga siya ng saging or ibang bulaklak. Yes? You have that alchemy. That's alchemy. Okay? Pera, abundance, health, wealth, negosyo na hindi kayo magka-agreehan, trabaho na mababa ang sweldo. Yeah? You know how to do the alchemy? Okay. So, yung dumating sa'yo, iba. Yes. And then, you can do alchemy by talking with the people. Yeah? Hindi po ganyan ang sweldong hinahanap ko or something. Yes? The power is inside of you. The power is inside of you. So, ikaw pa rin ang makapagbibigay ng solusyon. Yeah. Infinity, abundance. So, nothing is impossible as long as, okay, babalik ako dito. Kasi sabi ko, yung bata, maliit yung effort. Yeah? Okay. Ngayon, sa relationship, lakihan mo yung effort to transform what you, how you want that relationship to grow. Or, sa negosyo, put more effort para i-transform mo. Kung sa palagay mo hindi nagwo-workout, hindi lumalago, palaguin mo. You do your alchemy. Napapagod ka, understandable. Yes? But it doesn't mean susuko ka. Again, January 1, New Year, reset and balance. Yes? So, the universe is telling Gemini na nasa harapan ko, you have the power na i-convert kung ano man yung gusto mo into your reality. That's how it is. That's how powerful you are starting January. So kung ang minanifest mo last year, more money, etc. Okay? You need to keep that ace burning. Hawak mo yung alas. Hawak mo yung alas. Don't overly complicate and put more effort kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo. Yung winish mo, darating, mabilis. Hindi man ganoon as what you are expecting or yung pinagdasal mo, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Okay? 9, and then you have another 1, hawak mo itong pang 10. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay? 10 of 1, completion. Yes? Sinasabi na sa'yo, Gemini, nung Reyna, Queen of Wands. Yes? Ito ka, na magician. Sabi sa'yo, Gemini, tuminu-tinu ka. Yes? The power is inside of you. Bakit ka nagdududa, napagod ka lang physically? Kung nagbebenta ka, parang sabi mo, walang bumibili, well, you need to act something. You need to do. Okay? I-manifest mo at magkaroon ka pa ng effort, isang push pa, Gemini. January, start to reset. Yeah? Read that, watch that full moon and new moon reading. You might get something in there. Okay? So kung ano man itong itinanim mo, lahat pa tayo, meron tayong intention. Yes? Okay. Life is difficult. Pero si Gemini na nasa harapan ko, if you're looking for that saving grace na ayaw mo nang sumuko, ay gusto mo na sumuko or what, naghihintay ka sa 100 resume na pinadala mo, ni isa, wala mo lang tumawag. Okay, yan. 9, and then you have that ace of 1, hawak ng reyna. You have the 10, and that's completion already. Finish line. Claim that. Nanghihina ka, claim that and push some more. Photo finish, hindi mo nakikita. That's our blind spot. Hindi natin nakikita. Ang nakikita lang po kasi natin, minsan napapagod tayo at napahiya tayo at napagalitan tayo at tumulusong tayo sa baha. Yes? Okay. You have the power to transform liquid to solid. I always say this, the Queen of Wands, magician din po yan. Ayan, no? Meron siyang black cat. This is intuition. Minsan naaamoy natin, pero we are so caught up sa mga problema sa social media, nakikita natin, etc., etc., comparing our life with other people, doon po tayo minsan natatalo. Yeah? So we easily give up. Pero the power is within you. The infinite abundance. Problema sa pera, sa relationship, you're gonna get that resolved. Yeah? But you need to act fast. May decision na gagawin at mangyayari. This is a big shift po. There's a big shift for 2026. So I think Gemini is also has a huge impact. Lahat po tayong sign maapektuhan. Pero the Gemini I can see here, if you want that things to happen, control and own it. Kung paano hinawakan ng Queen of Wands yung Ace of Wands, own it. It is also referring to fertility. Yeah? Fertility. So may problema sa makabuo ng bata, etc. So do your own research also. That's what it means. Infinite possibility. Pero you need to act. You need to act. And don't give up. That's one message. Okay? So lumito ulit itong ayusin ko yung card ko. Okay? So lumito yung magician. Okay? I just want to get the outcome. Okay? I just want to get the outcome. Balikan po ako dito. Okay. Gemini, let's see the outcome. Let's see the outcome. January 1 to 15, Gemini. Okay. Yeah? Okay. One card. Gusto ko nang i-validate. One blind spot. One blind spot, Gemini. January 1 to 15. Okay. So, panibagong taon. So, you want to start the year right in a perfect form and wag pang hinaan kaagad. Wag pang hinaan kaagad. Panibagong taon, panibagong panimula. Always take advantage of the reset. Watch that new moon and full moon reading. You might pick up something. So, one more blind spot. Gemini, give me one blind spot. One blind spot to Gemini. Ano itong pinanggagalingan ni Gemini? One blind spot. Tingnan natin. Oh, may tumaob ba? Okay. Oh, sorry, wala. Okay. Okay, ituloy natin. One blind spot. Yeah? Okay. Ingat sa paligid mo. There's a message of mga sinungaling, trickster, sneaky, okay? So if you feel na napapaligiran ka ng ganoong tao, kasi nga nakita ko rito napagod ka na you've been played or somebody's playing, etc. Yeah? You don't want to go to that direction. Yes? You have the magician, okay? Kaya mong makontrol ito, or you have the power to change your narrative. Yeah? Okay. I just want to get one more. So it's a precaution, okay? If you're surrounded by that type of energy, give me one more blind spot. Bigyan natin ng magandang reading si Gemini for start of the year. One blind spot for Gemini. One blind spot. Isa lang. One blind spot. Oops, hindi isa yan. Okay, this one. Okay, are you dealing with Pisces? Okay. Check the new moon reading. Full moon, okay? There's a clarity. you're looking for clarity kasi it's being an air sign, yung headspace mo minsan nag-ano sa'yo, playing tricks, okay? Merong, if you're surrounded by people na medyo tricky at hindi mo ma-weigh kung tama ba yung ginagawa nila o yung sinasabi nila, yes, okay? Nandito yung naamoy ko, nagdududa ka kung bulaklak ba na sunflower o ibang flower yung itatanim mo. Okay? You have the power to transform kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Yung narrative mo, news is coming, napagod ka, understandable. Connect with your, yung contribution mo, maliit na effort, make it bigger. Yeah? Make it bigger. And simplify decision making. Simplify kung paano tayo ng bata magdesisyon. Trickster, you can avoid that. You are in control. Hawak mo yung alas. Queen of One is offering you that. Ngayon, you keep on insisting on the clarity. Understandable. Now, check the full moon and new moon reading. December 19 and January 3. Yeah? Okay. If you're dealing with Pisces, connect on the it's also intuition. Yes? Okay. Ito yung mga kutob. Yeah? Use your kutob. Yeah? I can see the black cat here. Intuition. I think I said that also. Okay? Look for sign, symbolism, or yung kutob lang, yung kutob. Okay? Na it will make your decision making and also direction na saan ba ako pupunta? Pupunta ba ako sa kanan o pupunta ako sa kaliwa o anong decision ang gagawin ko? Dalawa yung message noong Seven of Swords sa akin dito. It's either you're dealing with a tricky person or you need to strategize. Okay? For this Gemini na nasa harapan ko, I think this is more about strategizing. Yes? You need to strategize. Wait until January 3. Bibigyan ko ng timeline ito. January 3 to decide. News is coming by January 3. You have the power. You can transform anything that you like na maging favorable sa iyo. All you just need to do is claim that. Okay? So Gemini, very very powerful reading. So it's a good start for the new year, 2026. Yeah? Magpapakapi ka, Gemini. Okay, kung ano man itong minanifest mo. Okay, one final Moon Oracle. Tingnan natin. Ano ang message pa kay Gemini? So, general reading po, kung makaresonate, i-apply po natin sa sa situation natin. Kung shout out po kung makaresonate, kung hindi, sa susunod po. Check natin, Gemini, January 1 to 15. One Moon Oracle. Isa lang para kay Gemini. Okay. Isa lang. Dali po. Yeah. Parang naguguluhan si Gemini. Itong nasa harapan ko. Okay? You are confused. Oh, wolf. Okay. Watch the full moon reading. Wolf moon po ang tawag dyan. Wolf. Okay. Sabi dito, beware of letting your wilder instinct to spin out of control. Okay? So, ito to. Okay? Ikaw itong nag-i-spin out of control. Nagiging nagsha-shortcut, kung ano-ano ini-imagine mo. Okay? Then, strategize. Use this as a strategy. Hindi maging tricky. Okay? Strategy, not being tricky. Yun po ang message nitong card na ito for you. Okay? Wilder instinct daw to spin out of control. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-spin out of control kasi you have the magician here. Dalawang magician yung hawak mo and you hold the ace of wands. Yeah? Okay? So, magpakape ka. Watch that video, the full moon. Full moon reading for Gemini. You might get something there. So, magpapakape ka, Gemini. So, January 1 to 15 reading. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. See you again. Salamat po.